Now this illustration, figure 19-2, deals with what is the largest if you had motors and compressors on a feeder circuit. Now, of course, the overcurrent device is 440.22b, as in boy 1, as you see in the illustration. The power supply conductors is 430.24 and 440.33. Naturally, 430.24 deals with motors, and 440.33 deals with compressors. Now, the feeder conductors, again, 430.24 is dealing with your motors, if it was just motors, and 440.33 deals with compressors. So you're both of them kind of give you information. But now notice in the illustration, you have a 7.5 horsepower motor, 3-phase, 230 volt, and you have a 10 horse. Now when these values are compared, we would find then that the compressor at 30.5 and the condenser motor, 4 amps, would produce the largest. So in this case, the largest motor is a compressor motor, not any one of the individual 2 motors that you see there. Now naturally you go to table 430.250 is instructed to do from 430.6A1 of the code, and you would pick up the full load current ratings of each one of these motors, 7.5 and 10, based upon 3-phase, 230 volt, and their values, neither one of those motors would be larger than that compressor, 30.5 and 4 amp for the condenser motor. So in this illustration that we're viewing, figure 19-2 there, it would actually be A. Then we would find that the compressor is the largest motor, and that's what you would consider as the largest motor, and take 125% of, plus 100% of the 2 motors. And that's what this figure 19-2A is illustrating.